In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log your work time for a task in Wrike. Keeping accurate time logs is really important, whether you're tracking billable hours, measuring productivity, or just trying to understand how long different tasks actually take. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the simple process of adding your time to a specific task in Wrike, step by step. First, start by opening your Wrike workspace and navigating to the project or folder where your task lives. Once you're there, look for the task you want to log time for. This could be something like a design task, a documentation update, or any work item assigned to you. Click on the task to open its detailed view. You should now see all the task information, such as the title, description, assignees, and other fields. Make sure you're on the correct task before moving on, so your hours are recorded in the right place. Next, look for the time tracking section within the task. You'll see a small timer or time field that initially shows something like 002, indicating that no time has been logged yet. Beside that 0 OK value, there is a small arrow or drop-down icon. Click on that arrow. This opens the time entry area where you can manually add how long you worked on this task. Now it's time to type in the duration you've worked. In the time field that appears, enter the amount of time you spent on the task. Depending on your workspace settings, you can usually enter this in hours and minutes, such as 1:30 for 1 hour and 30 minutes. Try to be as accurate as possible. It often helps to log your time right after you finish working, so you don't forget or underestimate what you've done. If your team has specific guidelines on rounding, like rounding to the nearest 15 minutes, make sure to follow those here. Once you're happy with the time you've entered, look for the option labeled Add Entry. Click on Add Entry to save your time log. After clicking, you should see your new time entry reflected in the Task Time section. This confirms that your work time has been successfully recorded and will now be included in any reports or timesheets your team uses. And that's all you need to do to log your work time for a task in Wrike. Select the task, open the time field, enter your hours, and add the entry.